Okay, everybody. Sorry for the miscalculation here. Unfortunately, I had to end the video, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a part 1 out of it, and then I'll post it, and then I'll post this once I'm finished with the cleaning process here. But anyhow, I ran the heater for about 10 minutes shortly after the video. Uh Everything seems to be in good working order. Uh All of the wiring is good. I'm not exactly sure what's up with this, but it doesn't seem to be an issue. Maybe that's the way that it came out of the factory. You see some wiring on some of these old heaters and whatnot. They're not hooked up, but I really don't think it's a problem. Basically, all I'm gonna do with this now is that I'm just gonna clean it up, and I will put it back together, and then you'll see it in action for the first time. It's a really good heater. It's a good performer. The only flaw with it is trying to get that put back in place, but that really shouldn't be an issue. No need to service or clean the fan here, as free spinning as it is, and the the motor doesn't seem wonky. I guess there's no need to take that out and oil it right now. What I've been doing is that I've just been breaking up all the dirt and the dust and the dander here and whatnot with this old toothbrush, and I'm just gonna break it all up, and then I'll vacuum it all out with my Bissell, and then I'll throw it back together, and we'll see it in action for the first time. Okay, so I have most of the dirt in here broke up, and I've cleaned it out with my little toothbrush here. These things come in handy for certain stuff like this. I'm just gonna take my Bissell here. And if you guys like, I can make a video of that and put it on my channel too. But I'm just gonna take my big Bissell here, and I'm gonna suck this all out. Alright, I think that looks a whole lot better if you ask me. Cleaned up okay. There's the inside of it again. There's the fan. There's the wiring that connects to the fan, as well as the the controls and the element. So we'll go ahead and I'm just going to try to work the element its way back onto the casing here, and we'll get it put back together, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, this is what the inside of it looks like now. Everything is good and spruced up. I took the vacuum and I vacuumed all around the electricals and around the power switch down there best I could, to where it wouldn't cause any issues with the connection. Cleaned up the fan there a little bit. Really, it wasn't really much of any need of any service. And the element here, I was able to connect that back to the cabinet of the fan with the front grill. I'm not exactly sure if those screws went in where it holds on to the element there. But from the looks of it, the front grill looks like it's sturdy enough to where it won't come off. But um, everything cleaned up very nicely here. So I guess the only thing left to do is to get this thing put back together and see it run.